This is the national warning of the federal government. Of the BFDI Island, this is not a test. 1 hour, many cases have shown that Wenda and Black have made a potion that they need a few drops to infect people and has to spread quickly through the streets. We don't know what to do, so don't panic. Soon we will all meet again. Hug your family, play with your pets. Do something you want to do. We will try to neutralize Wenda and Black soon after we create a vaccine.